If you're a business owner and the main thing that's on your mind right now is how do I get my next client, in the next 10 minutes, I'm going to show you the easiest way that you can get your next client literally today if you wanted to. Now, if you guys don't know me, my name is Sabah. I built a multi-six-figure business in my 20s by teaching people how to build profitable brands on social media where they attract clients to them. Now, first things first, in order to get your next client, you actually want to reframe it and think about how can I attract my next client? When you go out and try to chase clients or try to cold message people, try to email people, it makes it 10 times harder for you to even get a sale and make a client because you're actually reaching out to people who probably won't even buy in the first place. So the first step that you want to do to get your next client is reframe, and don't ask yourself the question, how can I get my next client? But ask yourself the question, how can I attract my next client? Now, after you do that reframe, the next thing that you want to do is host a free online event. Now, this will work for anybody, whether you have an online business, offline business, you want to hold a virtual event. Now, throughout the years of me being an online business owner, I have held dozens of online events, and I will tell you, it works. Now, if you don't know what an online event is, it's basically a masterclass, a webinar, it can be a workshop, a challenge, basically something where you are gathering a group of people online and teaching them something. So first of all, come up with what type of online event you want to host, whether it is maybe like a 30-minute or 60-minute training teaching people a specific thing, or maybe it's like workshop style where people are coming in, they're asking you questions and you're giving like customized feedback. Now, regardless of what you're doing, you want to get super specific and niche in that specific online event. So don't just do an online event on how to lose 20 pounds, right? You want to do an online event on something so tangible that people do not want to miss it. So maybe something on how I still have dessert every single day, but lose 10 pounds. Specific, niche, to the point, people don't want to miss that. Now, after you come up with the training, the idea, you want to promote it on your social media to your audience, to your email list, friends, family, basically every single person, and have them sign up and register. Now, I'm not going to get into like the technicality side of it. Hopefully you already have like an email marketing system, an email CRM. I use ActiveCampaign, so every time I host and hold online events, I have people sign up through a registration page that I make simply on ClickFunnels, or even through ActiveCampaign. You can make forms and people can opt in. You can gather their information, and that way you can even send them emails leading up to this online event. So if you don't have one already, I highly recommend ActiveCampaign. It's one of the best email marketing softwares out there. So once all of those nitty-gritty things are done, start marketing. Okay, every single day on your social media leading up to this online event, post about it every single day and tell people why they need to be there. Now, usually I give myself at least 5 days to promote events to get people there, but you can do it up to 2 weeks, just depending on what your goal and intention is. Now, of course, if you want to get a client by like Friday and today's Monday, then only promote it for a few days. The thing is, you don't need hundreds of people at the online event. You just need the right type of people there. And with the actual marketing material, I love to talk about what I'm going to teach at the event, a transformation that I've gone through, why I'm even hosting the event, why it's relevant to people right now. The thing about online events is you want to make it relevant to the situation, to the environment, to the season. So right now, when I'm actually recording it, it's the new year. So I would most likely want to create an event around how to reach like your New Year's like goals in your business. I probably wouldn't do something with like the holidays because it's January right now. And then after you market, you get people in, they are registered. This is very, very important. You want to think about an incentive and bonus that you can offer people at the end of this online event for them to become a client or buy your product and offer. You cannot skip this, okay? And this does not mean you have to discount your price. This does not mean you have to give more away than what you want, but you want to incentivize them. They are there for a reason. They want to learn from you. They want to work with you. They want to buy your offers. So think about something that you can give them as a bonus if they sign up right then and there, or within like that day or 24 hours. So for an example, things that I have done in the past, if I'm selling like a course or my online membership, Monetize Social Membership, membership, I will do like, if you sign up within like the next hour or by the end of the day, you get a bonus 30-minute one-on-one call with me. Or you also get access to this like online training. Or maybe it is like price off, like you get 10% off. People love fast action bonuses. So if you can create a sense of urgency while they're there at the online event, I guarantee you will not just sign on one more client, you will sign on 10 more clients. But make sure you know exactly what this is before you host an online event. Don't just go into it thinking, oh, I'm gonna come up with it on the spot. Think about what this is prior to it. So during the entire event, you can kind of pre-frame leading up to like the end and be like, hey, make sure you guys stay till the end because I'm going to have like a gift, a bonus for you guys because you are here. And then of course you do the online event and then at the end you invite them. Okay. Sometimes people get scared when it comes to like the pitch and like the sales piece, but it's actually quite easy. If people are spending time with you, they're ready to buy. Okay, they are. So all you basically need to do is present what your offer is and talk about the bonus or gift that they are getting for being there. So if I was selling monetized social membership, my main offer, teaching people how to build profitable brands online that attracts clients to them, I would say something like, if you want to join monetized social membership that gives you the exact steps to market, sell out your offers, if you join in like the next hour, I'm going to throw in a bonus one-on-one call with you. On that specific call, I will give you a game plan for the next 30 days of marketing material for you to triple your sales. You're gonna get that if you sign up right now. Do you see how enticing that is? Everybody on that online event is going to want to buy monetized social membership. So you just want to think about how you want to pitch and invite people to buy your offer at the end. And that's it. That is how you are going to get your next client. And if you guys love this style of video, just straightforward to the point, comment below, let me know because I will create so many more of these. And also let me know if you are gonna try it out and what type of online event you're gonna be putting on. And don't forget to hit like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, make sure that you stay unforgettable.